everybody! Today is a very special day. We are going to get to see some big waves at Nazaré, which we've wanted to see for a very long time since we watched the series 100-Foot Wave. And today looks like blue sky, but it's supposed to be a fairly rainy, windy day and some possibly 10 meter, 33 foot or higher waves to watch, which apparently we heard yesterday at the supermarket from some women who live in Nazaré that it hasn't been this big since 2022. So a couple of years since they've had this level of surf. So hopefully we'll get to see some surfing, but whatever we get to see will be super exciting. And we're going with some new friends from Portugal, Miguel and his girlfriend Vera. So super excited. Let's go. Rustico.
Hobby dos bagulhos. It continues there. High tide bagulho.
Fourth largest in Europe, I read.
Yes. High tide é maré cheia. Low tide, maré vazia.
Our first stop was Foz do Aurelio, which I'm still learning to pronounce, and that is on the other side of the lagoon from where we live. So it takes quite a long time to drive there, but it's actually a very short distance from where we live. So we could almost see it from where we live, but we have to drive through some very pretty places to get there, which is a-okay. And while we were there, Vera took some great photos of us, and we took in the large surf that was coming in from the waves. Sorry.
Because it's stuck in two mountains.
Ah.
There's no waves.
Right.
It's good for children.
Ah, perfect.
Because the hills, the entry cut the wave. You're gonna see that.
Oh yeah, very nice. This is Nazaré, right?
We are already in Nazaré. This is already Nazaré. Now we are trying to find a place. Olha aqui, olha aqui. Tá aqui, não tá? Come on.
Lucky.
Come on.
Yeah. This is the first glimpse of the sanctuary of Our Lady of Nazareth, or Nazaré. And we didn't go inside, we just took some photos outside. It's just glorious. And then we walked around the square and talked about the legend of Nazaré, which is that in 1182, a deer ran across the square and a man chasing it almost fell to his death before the Madonna interceded on his behalf, which was really good because you're about to see that he could have died by going over.
Oh my God! Wow! Welcome to Nazaré. Wow. Okay.
And he saw the angel and stopped.
Wow.
If
Wow.
not,
He would have died. Wow. What a gorgeous beach.
okay.
Okay.
Try to take in here.
Yeah.
If not, the sun here.
The translation of this is that on this spot, Vasco da Gama came to pray before and after his trip to India, which really is pretty remarkable that he went to India from here, and he prayed to Our Lady of Nazaré for safe voyage and was granted that.
Doug offered Vera his coat.
So as you walk down the hill from the chapel, you can see where the famed waves of Nazaré and the surfing competitions take place, and it's the World Surfing League's area, and they have this statue here that is meant to represent their version of events of what happened at Nazaré and honor Nazaré and surfing there. So we took a few photos by the statue to honor that story. At the bottom of the hill is a fort that was built in 1577, and at the top of it is a lighthouse, and it's a place where you can, for a few euros, get inside to see a great exhibit and go to the top to see the waves. So when we got up there, we could see off in the distance a few surfers on jet skis going out to see if they could ride some of the big waves, and that was really cool. Just even to see the jet skis was pretty fantastic, and the waves were coming in strong, as you can tell here. It was pretty windy, and the conditions got worse as we were out there.
Such a beautiful fort.